IAM roles are like temporary passes that grant access to AWS resources. AWS DeepLens needs these roles to perform specific tasks securely. Think of them as backstage passes for a concert. Without them, access is restricted. Unlike IAM users, roles don't have long-term credentials, making them more secure for temporary access. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM roles are like digital security guards, ensuring the right permissions are given to AWS services. They allow secure interactions without tying access to a specific person. Think of them like valet keys, handy for temporary use while ensuring security remains intact. Imagine IAM roles as a custom security clearance for AWS DeepLens. These roles tell DeepLens what it's allowed to do, like granting access to video streams or models. Without them, DeepLens would be like a delivery driver with no address. It wouldn't know where to go. Finding IAM roles in AWS Console is simple. Just head to IAM. It's like searching for saved Wi-Fi networks on your phone. Navigate to IAM, type roles in the search bar, and voila. Each role contains predefined permissions that determine what AWS services can access. Navigating IAM roles in AWS is just like browsing folders on a computer. Go to the IAM dashboard, select roles, and use the search bar to find what you need. Every role contains permission policies that define what AWS resources can access, keeping security in check. Let's talk about finding IAM roles like a pro. The AWS CLI is your best friend here. First, we list the roles, then we filter them based on policies, because who likes scrolling through endless data? Once we have our short list, we retrieve their details and validate permissions to ensure we're not chasing a ghost role. Efficiency is key, and AWS CLI makes it happen. DeepLens is cool, but without proper IAM roles, it's just a fancy paperweight. AWS provides predefined roles to make life easy, but sometimes you need custom roles for extra control. The key: assign the right role so DeepLens doesn't start talking to services it shouldn't. Think of it like giving your robot assistant a job. Make sure it knows exactly what it should be doing. Managing IAM roles isn't rocket science, but a little strategy goes a long way. We create roles, attach policies, and then, very important, we monitor them. Auditing ensures we're not giving out privileges like candy. As services evolve, our roles should too. Nobody likes outdated permissions messing up a workflow. IAM role management is all about balance. Too strict and you slow things down, too loose and chaos ensues. Least privilege keeps things tight. Temporary credentials add security, and regular reviews keep us out of trouble. Logging is like having a security camera. It catches issues before they escalate. Finding IAM roles should be easy, but things can go south fast. Sometimes permissions block access, or users mix up roles with users. It happens to the best of us. Filters can be too strict, and roles might not propagate correctly across services. The solution: know what you're searching for and make sure your permissions are on point. Troubleshooting IAM roles is like detective work. You follow the clues. Start with permissions, move to trust relationships, and dig into AWS logs for hidden mysteries. If all else fails, sometimes a fresh start is best. Delete and recreate that role. IAM roles aren't just an extra layer of security. They're the backbone of AWS DeepLens functionality. Assign the right roles, audit frequently, and enjoy a smooth integration with AWS services. Think of roles like traffic signals. They keep everything flowing without collisions. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.